Conquer.
Stop looking in the sky, guys. Come here. What's up, Crank Up King? Who there? It's the boy Crank Up in here. Back with another video. Yeah, we're in a OT town like now, man. Let's see pre. Ochi become my town now for some reason. I left Poland, I migrate to Ochi. Anyways, here we go. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like the video. That's one of the number one rule on the channel. You see me? Subscribe. Follow my Instagram. It's on the screen. You get me? Anyways, I don't want to see the title. I'm not going to tell you who I'm going to title. We have to just watch and look and see. You get me? But that's basically like the females, the mother chance I was hooking up. But not for watch and see. Anyways, no more talking. We'll get in the video. No myself. Crank up. Be it, girl, done work, you know?
No! I asked for the fuck, Chris. Hot!
Alright, so today we're here with the beautiful
Sharon.
and the sexy.
Sharon.
Beautiful and sexy Sharon. I can't go and like seeing a beautiful and sexy with Sharon. I can bury Anna little, just say Anna little. Can't let me hand. I want to propose to you. We can't just go like that. I just want to show them see beautiful and sexy for you.
Okay.
Just can't just go like that. God damn. She look goody. Alright, so here we are going, see? Are you single or taken?
Taken.
How long you have the problem?
Huh?
How long you have the problem?
What problem?
It's not a problem?
No.
My cheater good?
Yeah.
What your name?
What?
I know fear man. I can't come here. I know fear man. If I can't call him, I know fear man. Then you know. I know fear man. Alright, so here we are going to Sharon. Sharon, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we are going to Sharon. See? Are you a spontaneous kind of girl?
Yes.
Or you like to try adventurous things, new things and stuff like that?
Absolutely.
Love that. That's perfect. See? So here we are going now. When you take a good look at me, right? Hypothetically speaking, see?
Yeah.
On a scale from 1 to 10, what are the chances of us hooking up tonight?
Tonight?
Yeah. Hypothetically. Scale of 1 to 10. Look for me good. If I'm a poet, so I'm going to take up anything.
Me not know, cause me not sleep with man for their appearance. And me not know what you have to say, me I go sleep with her tonight or if you want one night stand.
That's a good girl.
But me think, wait, what about sleeping up, sleeping it talk? Me ask if we can hook up tonight, like, you know, put on the bait and them thing there. Hey, me don't know. We just want to catch some fish. Sharon, you're just damn rude. Who you talk about sleep with? Me not sleep with random girls either. Come here, show the Instagram before we go, okay? That's damn rude.
SH_XR__.
Guys, make sure to follow her here. Alright, so today we're here with the beautiful
Tash.
and the sexy.
Tash.
We are going to get the beautiful and sexy to Tash. Tash, you can just borrow your hand a little bit. Just let me hand a little. You can just go like that. Just work with me. God damn, Tash, you're a machine. Alright, so here we are going, Tash. Are you single or taken?
In between.
You have space for someone then. Someone can shoot their shot and they might score.
Yep.
Guys, they're not going to shoot in the shot. You see me? I like you like a period. You can see it? No, show them. Show me. Alright, so here we are going. See? Here I mean, question. Are you a spontaneous type of female?
I am.
You like
Kinda.
you're adventurous and like to try new things and everything?
Yep.
Like, I love you already, you know. You're perfect answer that. So here we are going now, see? Tash, alright. Tash, right? Alright, so here we are going to Tash. When you take a good look at me, see? I remember what they say about Marga, man, see? Anyways, on a scale from 1 to 10, hypothetically speaking, what are the chances of us hooking up tonight?
You look good, but
So we not look good enough to hook up tonight?
well, you look good overall, but I want to hook up with you.
You will hook up with me? So soon?
But
So
I
what-
forget the energy, feel. We have to have a chemistry first.
So what chemistry have to really do with this though?
I mean the connection.
So we need connection for go hook up. Like, choose some and get some fish on them for me. Tash, what kind of chemistry and connection? Me don't even have none of that. You don't put on the bait because I don't know about about it. You don't put on the bait.
I never do fishing before, so.
I mean, I try to find somebody to go some fish with, but you talk sex, so I not have sex with random females. I'm a good guy. Come here. I mind smut, you see? Show that Instagram before I go though. I know them boy want to find it, you know. Make sure you show it out good. Spell it if you want to.
Is tickers underscore the publish.
The what? The publish?
Yeah.
You want to spell that?
Okay, it's THICKASS underscore DAPABLESS.
Make sure to find it here, guys. Alright, so today we're here with the beautiful
Russia.
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 Yes.
Nice name. Russia.
No.
Fight war and them stuff there.
No, sir. Yeah, spiritual war, me fight, man.
Spiritual war.
Yeah,
Empress
man.
and the Rasta.
Yes,
so go on with
man.
yourself, you know?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you are going. Are you single or taking Russia?
Taking.
How long you have the problem?
Pardon me?
How long you have the problem?
What problem?
It's not a problem?
Yeah, every relationship have a problem, but we don't have a rough problem because
Well,
he's a nice person.
Machita good.
Yeah, man.
What your name?
Dean.
Dean. Yo, I first girl big up your man. Big up yourself, Dean. Big up yourself. Alright, so here we are going now. See? More you take a good look. Before me ask that, are you an adventurous type of female? You're
I'm
spontaneous.
own body.
Your own body.
Yeah, me usually go out and
Yeah.
party. Young, me younger, but me not do them things again because I'm in a different zone right now, in a spiritual
Spiritual zone.
zone right now. Me stay on the positive side.
Alright, so when,
Too much things are going on in the world.
that's true. So here we are going now. See? Are you Alright. You say adventurous, spontaneous.
Woman of everything. I can do everything.
Yeah. Everything. Yeah, adventurous. I like to try new
Adventures.
things.
Yeah, me very, you know.
Yeah.
When I go out, me always know if me carry the crowd attention.
Hey, catch my attention already. That's why I'm stopping you, friend.
Really?
Alright, so here we are going now. See? I'm going to take a good look at me. See? Russia, right? I'm going to take a good look at me, right? My name is Theodore. Take a good look at me. On a scale from 1 to 10, right? What are the chances of us hooking up tonight?
Yeah, we can't hook up. I'm in a relationship, a commitment relationship.
So what your relationship have to do with that? Hypothetically speaking.
I have respect for my boyfriend.
So you think you would have a problem with that?
Of course.
So you think you would have a problem with us hooking up tonight? Like, show some fish. Russia, me not understand. You say they know, yeah, mates. What you did? You're the mates
It's
dirty.
hooking up tonight. That is
Yeah, like me no put on the beat. You no put on the beat. You don't know where you went.
You're too hilarious, yeah, man.
You're not. You see, you're rude.
But
enough.
at least me I look for the positive side. You know, say me I'm not a cheater. I am not a person that go around go flirt and talk.
But you're rude. Yeah, you're a rude thing. And I'm not.
I'm not rude things. I'm not really rude things. You know, they say hooking up and don't know what it is. They speak to people, or communicate with people.
Alright, that's very good, man. That's very good. We catch you. Alright, show them the Instagram before we go there, so they can find
Pardon
you.
me?
Show them the Instagram so they can find you. Or a business if you have.
I don't really do things on social media.
Alright, you don't want them to follow you?
No, what? Me alright.
Alright. Alright, so today we're here with the beautiful
Lani K.
Lana K. Nice name. And the sexy Lana K, right? Me lied. I can wear a little bit Lana K. But that's my God. What you do with this? You can wash and cook with this?
Yeah.
You can do that like something to yourself with this? My God, you can do that? Just give me a look at her. Damn, she look good. She look good. Anyways, here we are going. Are you single or taking, Lana K?
Take it.
How long you have the problem?
Problem with what?
You man a problem?
No.
Machita good? What your name?
Me not call him.
I know you're a man, then Lana K.
Man, no,
You're a
call
man.
him name.
I
Yeah.
know you're a man. You can't call
Am
him
I
name.
man?
Me no believe you. So here we are going now. See, Lana K? I ask you another question, right? Are you a spontaneous kind of girl? You adventurous and like to try new things and everything?
Yeah.
I love that. I love you already. Why I love you already? When I see you, I love you, you know. Alright, so here we are going now, Lana K. See? When you take a good look at me, right? Hypothetically speaking, a good look, you know. If you want me pose, if you want me, you know, on a scale from 1 to 10, right? What are the chances of us hooking up tonight? Alright, so I'm gonna ask you back again, see? On a scale from 1 to 10, see? When you take a good look at me, 1 to 10, you know, what are the chances of us hooking up tonight?
None.
None? 0.
0.
Why not? Why 0 though?
Not interested.
Me like a star you deal with.
Oh, me I deal with you.
Yeah, you just a deal with me strong.
You're not interested?
No.
So you can't interested in if you just hook up tonight? Come here, Lana K. Come here. Come here, what were you thinking about? You're not interested we can get some fish and eat fish or anything there?
I don't eat fish.
You don't eat fish?
No.
You know put on the bait and we just go.
No, sir.
You know you're damn rude. You come show to the Instagram before you go, okay? You're rude, you know.
1 point Dimmy underscore.
Say that again?
1 point Dimmy underscore.
Point of in full stop, right?
Yeah.
I spell it Demi.
DIMI.
Alright, so today we're here the beautiful
Aisha.
and the sexy.
Aisha.
Aisha, you look young in about how old are you by the way?
20.
20, you look like about 12. Let me tell you, but anyway, Aisha, can borrow your hand a little bit? But just want to hold your hand. You can do a little nice little turn. My God, she just look good, sir. You like tall man or short man? Which one?
Tall.
You like him taller than you?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we're going. Are you single or taken?
Complicated.
More you turn. No,
Complicated. I know my man a people man.
A people man?
People man can't stop them. People man comfortable and nice.
Alright, so here we're going. You see? I want to ask you this. Are you a spontaneous kind of girl?
A bit.
A bit? You like to try new things, adventurous them with it? I love that. That's perfect. That's how I know me like you, you know. That's how I know me like you. Alright, so here we go. See? I want you to take a good look at me. See? Good look, you know. If you want me turn, if you want me pose, anything. See? On a scale from 1 to 10, right? What are the chances of us hooking up tonight? 10 being the highest.
Alright. Being honest.
Come down. The car come in.
2.
2? Yeah, 2?
Yeah, 2.
That low?
Yeah, that low.
Don't cry.
Not into dark complexion.
You're not into dark complexion?
No.
You like light skin? Alright. So, but what that have to do with this hooking up thing though? Color?
Nothing's not wrong. I'm not color.
Prejudice, yeah.
Yeah, but at the end of the day,
Yeah.
I just have a type of my like. You know, chocolate nice, but
Yeah, we understand.
yeah, vanilla them are good.
Yeah, so
For
vanilla
me.
have to do with all that. We just hook up tonight. We'll get some fish and something.
Gotcha, bitch.
Come here. Cause you're damn rude, you know. Where did that thing go? What were you thinking about? You know, I don't know, you know, put the bait pan, I don't know about the bait part. I just know if it bite and chew
I
it.
don't do fishing.
You know, that boss, you just look at it and damn rude. Come show to the Instagram before we go. Okay, you're rude, you know.
It's a girl underscore I.
That's it? I. Alright, thank you very much, alright?
Stay with us again for another episode of the bullshit.